JT here with New England Auto and Truck, parting out a 2011 Honda CRV, stock number N00795. It's got 70,000 miles on it, and we'll jump right in here with the left front headlight. A little bit of cloudiness to it, but other than that, in great shape. Left fender here, really good shape. One little ping right down there, but other than that, looking nice. Left front door, same kind of deal, just a little bit of a ping there, but other than that, great shape. Left door mirror, pretty mint. Left rear door, couldn't find any pings on it, doesn't look like it's been touched, great condition. Quarter panel back here, got a little bit of a dent right there, but other than that, it's in great shape. Moving on to the rear of the vehicle. Both of the tail lights here are in great shape. Lid gate itself, 000, nothing wrong with it. Comes with the hinges. Rear bumper assembly, a few scratches on it, but other than that, great shape. Right rear quarter panel, couldn't find anything wrong with it. It's looking real nice. A couple little pings here on the right rear door, nothing too bad. Right front door, great shape, nothing wrong with it. Same deal here with the right front mirror. And all four tires here, pretty great condition for almost 10-year-old steel wheels. And we'll head on to the interior of the vehicle. Inside here we got some great condition front seats as well as the rear seats. Pretty clean interior all around, from the steering column, speedometer, master switch. Everything on the inside of this car is looking real mint. If you have any questions, give one of our sales guys a call.